Hello, my dear friends. My name is Harold, and welcome to The Sanctum. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about energy, and it's going to be split into two parts. This video, the first part, I'm going to talk about what may be blocking you from really feeling energy and strengthening your ability to be sensitive to energy. And in the second part of the video, I'm going to talk about the three different kinds of energy, and once you can feel it, how you can begin to transform the energy from one state to another, as each state of energy has a different use. So with that being said, we shall begin. So first of all, it's important to understand that oftentimes when we try to feel energy, we immediately try to take our hands and we put them together, and we might feel a little bit of a magnetic sensation or a bit of warmth or tingling sensation between the palms. Now, it's important to understand that this is vital energy that you are feeling, vital energy. And if we really want to strengthen that, a lot of the time people are focused on the actual physical body. So understand that everything is energy, and everything is vibrating at a particular frequency. So if everything is energy, matter, like our physical body is made out of matter, and so is the table or the chair or a computer, or all of this is matter. So this is energy vibrating in the lowest frequency because it is the grossest form of energy, so hence why it is solid in nature. Now, as the vibration increases, it becomes more and more subtle, more and more subtle. So the subtler it becomes, the higher in frequency it becomes. Okay, so vital energy is the energy most directly connected with our body, and oftentimes that is what we are feeling. But if we are focusing on our physical body, meaning our physical senses and our hands, and we're trying to feel energy by trying to feel our physical senses and bring our attention to our hands, we might gain some kind of success here, and we might feel the energy. However, we may not improve our subtle senses and being able to tap into this energy. So it's important, and this is a mistake a lot of people make, is when they focus on the actual physical body and the feeling of the clothes on their skin and the shape of their hands and all of this, and then they try to feel energy. You may be able to feel it a little bit, but you may not feel the totality of the subtlety and the subtle nature of the energy. To feel that, you need to bring your attention outside of the body. Okay, so for example, if you want to bring your hands together now, if you focus on your hands, you might start to feel the energy. But if you bring your attention in between your palms, the space around your body and in between your palms, now bring your attention between your palms here and breathe in and out, while bringing your attention outside of the body. Now you may start to notice, as you breathe in and out, that the energy starts to become denser, and you start to actually feel it a lot more, rather than keeping your attention on the physical body. All right. So there is internal awareness inside our body, and then there's external awareness outside of our body. I talk about this more in detail on my personal magnetism audio course, as well as my 6-week personal magnetism course. You can find out more about that in the description box. I also have an entire series on this stuff and on the subtleties of energy and mesmerism and personal magnetism on my Patreon channel, so check that out too if you're interested in this sort of thing. So now you can feel this a lot more. The other thing is, you want to push your hands outwards a little bit. So what allows the transmission of energy through our physical body is our fascia, our muscular fascia. If we bring our hands in like this, we start to hold in and block the channels from allowing the energy to flow. So hence why when you're trying to feel energy with your palms, you want to bring your hands outwards a little bit and open up, and not tense your entire body like your muscles, but you want to activate the fascia, meaning create a little bit of tension so that the fascia begins to activate. You're not tensing your body like this, but you're tensing just the fascia. This will allow magnetism, the energy, to flow through your body. Now, when you bring your attention outside of the body, you'll be able to feel it a lot more. And with practice, if you practice every single day, keeping the attention outside of the body, you may even begin to feel the subtleties of energy, the difference between yin and yang energy, and the changes that take place within your body on a daily basis. I talk about this more on my Patreon channel. So that is how you begin to increase the sensitivity of the energy. And if you do this every day, all the time, keep your attention outside of the body, you will start to awaken the subtle senses. So now let me go to the second part of the video, which is where I talk about the 3 different kinds of energy. So in the Taoist system, the energy is separated into 3, and this is Jing, Qi, and Shen. Okay, so this is the same as vital energy, astral energy, and Akasha or Akashic energy. And the 3 different kinds of energy increase in vibration as you go from Jin all the way to Shen. So Jin, Qi, and Shen. Jin being the densest, Qi being the next subtlest, and Shen being the subtlest, or vital energy being the least subtle, Akasha being the most subtle. So how can we feel the difference when working with energy? Now, this is an exercise that you can do to see the difference. We call this the 2 transformations. So when you bring your palms together like this and feel, bring your attention in the center. Breathe in and out, activate the fascia a little bit. And when you can feel that energy, you may feel a little bit of magnetism or a little bit of warmth. Now, this is vital energy. This is Jing. This is the energy that, if you look at martial artists and Shaolin monks, when they do Fa Jin and throw people really far away and things like this, and do push hands in Tai Chi, this is the use of Jin. It's the vital energy, the most closely linked to the energy that we use in our body. Right? So this is the vital energy that you're feeling, the Jing. Now, the first transformation is done. That leads to the conversion of Jin into Qi. So now let's feel Qi. Now, to feel Qi is beyond time. Okay, it's beyond time. So you need to go into a state of timelessness in order to tap into Qi. So this is called the first transformation. So if you feel, get that feeling of energy, of the vital energy. Now, once you feel it, keep your attention in the center, but also bring your attention now to the body. It takes a bit of practice, but you want to feel your physical body and the energy in between, so around you. Now, when you breathe in and out, breathe slowly in and out. And now intend in your mind that you're releasing time. You're returning purely to the present moment, and the past disappears, the future disappears, and you are here in the present moment. Now you'll notice the energy becomes a lot thicker. It's almost like you're running your hand through a thick, viscous goo. This is Qi. Right? So now if you become even more subtle and pay attention, you may notice that there are 2 different kinds. But we'll get into that a little bit later. So now you will notice that it's a lot thicker. This is the Qi. Now let's experience the Shen. So the Qi is the astral energy. And now there's the Shen, which is the subtlest, which is Akasha or Akashic energy. Now to do this, Akasha is beyond space and beyond time. So now you need to go beyond space. To go beyond space, hold on to the feeling of Qi, and now we're going to do the second transformation. To do the second transformation, you're now going to take your awareness, meaning you might be feeling your physical body and the area around you. You're going to push your awareness and expand it in all directions outwards to the ends of the universe. This may take some practice. Imagine that you're not expanding as a person. You're just pushing your awareness all the way to the ends of the universe. Front, back, left, right, up, down. In all directions, you're just pushing your awareness all the way outside to the ends of the universe. Now do that while you feel the energy. Remember to breathe in and out. Expanding all the way to the ends of the universe. Now you'll notice The energy may change. It may become very ecstatic and alive. This is Akasha. Right? For those of you who are sensitive, who practice this every day, will be able to tap into this. This is Akasha. Now you're working with this energy. So now if you know how to, you can use this energy in different ways. Right? To create transformation within yourself, to create changes in other people, to create changes in environment, to prime environments. There are innumerable things that you can do with this energy if you know what to do and how to do it. Okay, and I'll be talking more about this sort of thing on my channel and on my Patreon channel. For those of you who are interested, I also go deeper on my personal magnetism 6-week course. For those who are interested, you can find out more in the description box below. So practice every day and notice the different subtleties in the energy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. Thank you, take care, and I shall see you in the next video.